Good Sunday morning, everybody. This is what a gin hangover looks like. I think I drank too much last night. Nah, I'll rephrase that. I had a bit of bad tonic and it's made me ill. Should never ever have put that in my drink. Anyway, I'm going to sit here and feel sorry for myself for a bit. Moving on. Hi guys, it's kind of Sunday evening now. Not done much vlogging today, mainly because I fell asleep again. Started watching the TV before I thought I'm gonna have an easy day. Started watching the TV, did a couple of chores, started watching the TV and fell asleep. And then I got woken up by Michelle with my lunch, because she did me some lamb for lunch, which we don't do very often because Michelle won't eat it. Well, I had my lamb. Then I fell asleep again, and then I woke up and I thought I better do something. So I've just been done all the washing and the ironing and pottering about. Michelle's making tea now, which is going to be an omelette. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to settle down and watch some football. And then that'll be the weekend over with again. Yay! Brilliant. Anyway, never mind. Like I say, I'll watch the football now. Look at this, guys. Yellow warning of snow for Aberdeenshire affected the Grampian area from a couple of hours ago all the way through to tomorrow night. Frequent heavy snow showers will affect northern Scotland on Sunday and Monday and may lead to some travel disruption. Terrific. Good Easter Monday, everybody. Look at this. Easter Monday, that breeze is really icy and cold. Yeah, I think I need to de-ice the car before I go to work. Better get on it. Okay guys, let's go for the snowy ride. Right guys, on my way home from work now and it's still kind of horrible and nasty. 0 degrees C and bad visibility, snow. Well, I don't know what it is. It's that wind, it's vicious, it's really cold, that wind. But it is what it is. Tell you now, I'm going to do absolutely nothing tonight. I feel terrible. I've had stomachache all morning and I'm burning up. Or stomachache all day actually, and I'm burning up. I think I've probably got a bit of a stomach bug or a stomach flu or something. I feel terrible, which is rubbed salt into the wound because I actually thought I was off today. Then I found out I wasn't, and then when I go in I feel ill all day. It's been a definite drag all day, but never mind. Get home, batten the hatches. I'm gonna have to get up earlier tomorrow because Michelle's in work. She's got to spend a day at work. She's got a laptop needs to be plugged into her work's network because it thinks it's been stolen. So she has to go to work, which is going to stress her up no end. But until then, I think I'll get home and I'll hunker down and get under the blankets and try and recover. Not too good.